Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. Now we will start with our second chapter of Maths Part 1 Algebra, that is real number. So, what is real number? Definition of real number is all rational number and all irrational number together make the set of real number. The set of real number is denoted by R, not N is a subset of W, W is a subset of I is a subset of Q, and Q is a subset of R. Here, N means set of natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. W means set of whole number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. I means set of integers, that is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Q means set of rational numbers, that is P by Q, PQ belongs to I, Q is not equal to 0. R means set of real numbers. Now, order relation on rational numbers P by Q and R by S are rational numbers where Q is greater than 0 and S is greater than 0. First relation is if P into S equal to Q into R, then P by Q equal to R by S. Second relation is if P into S is greater than Q into R, then P by Q is greater than R by S. Third relation is if P into S is less than Q into R, then P by Q is less than R by S. For example of first relation is 3 divided by 5 equal to 6 divided by 10, because by cross multiplication 3 into 10, 5 into 6, 3 10s are 30 equal to 5 6 are 30. Example of second relation is 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 5, because by cross multiplication 3 into 5 is greater than 4 into 2, 3 5s are 15 is greater than 4 2s are 8. Example of third relation is 1 by 5 is less than 2 by 3, because by cross multiplication 1 into 3 is less than 5 into 2, 1 into 3 equal to 3 is less than 5 into 10 equal 5 into 2 equal to 10. That is 3 is less than 10. Properties of rational numbers. There are 4 properties. If A, B, C are rational numbers, then first commutative addition A plus B equal to B plus A, multiplication A into B equal to B into A. Second, associative addition A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C, multiplication A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Third, identity addition A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A, multiplication A into 1 equal to 1 into A equal to A. Fourth, inverse addition A plus minus A equal to 0, multiplication A into 1 by A equal to 1. A is not equal to 0. Now, decimal representation of rational numbers. The decimal form of any rational number is first, terminating type, second, non-terminating recurring type. First, terminating decimal form. If the rational number when expressed in decimal form has finite number of decimal places, then that form of the rational number is called as terminating decimal form. Second, non-terminating recurring decimal form. If a single digit or a group of digits occur repeatedly on the right of the decimal point, then the form of rational number is called the recurring decimal form. Important note: first, if the prime factor of the denominator of a rational number, if the prime factors are 2 or 5, only then its decimal expression is terminating. Second, if the prime factors are other than 2 or 5, also then its decimal expression is non-terminating and recurring. Example for converting the decimal in P by Q form. For example, express the requiring decimal 0.513 bar in P by Q form. Solution. Step by step solution. Step first. Let the given number be x. Let given number be x. X equal to given number means 0.1513 bar. Means x equal to 0.513513. It is denoted by first equation. Step second. Determine how many digits are requiring after the decimal point. There are 3 decimal point, 3 number, that is 5, 1, 3 are repeating after the decimal point. 5, 1, 3 are repeating the decimal point. Step 3. If 3 digits are requiring, then we will multiply the given number by 1000. That is multiplying both sides by 1000. One thousand into x equal to 1000 into 0.513513. 1000x equal to 1000 into 0.513513 equal to 513.513 bar. It is denoted by second equation. Step 4. Subtract equation first from equation second. Subtracting equation first from second. 1000x minus x equal to 513.513 bar minus 0.513 bar. Therefore, 1000 minus 1 equal to 999x equal to 513.513 minus 0.513 equal to 513. Step 5. Divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 4 by coefficient of x. Here, coefficient of x is 999. That is dividing both sides. by 999. Therefore, x equal to 513 divided by 999. Its simplest form is 9 into 27 divided 19 into 27 divided by 37 into 27. 27 cancel. Therefore, x equal to 19 divided by 37. Thus, we get the P by Q form is the given number is 19 divided by 37. Therefore, 0.513 equal to 19 divided by 37. Answer. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon